Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about Python tuples, which is a very straightforward data types of Python because unlike list you can't mutate a tuple, so they're immutable. That means once you create a tuple you can't add an item to it or remove it or modify. So just to start off with tuple, let's create a tuple called states, and which will be a state tuple variable. So just by doing that with the parentheses open, we've just created a tuple. So now to check that, just type what type is the states variable. That is an instance of class tuple. So we've just created a new instance of that. Now let's just create tuple again with the value, so which is New South Wales, ACT, QLD. These are just different state of Australia. I'm just going to type in Tassie, Victoria, Queensland, and how about left? Yep, and Northern Territory. Okay, so now we have a state tuple. So as I said, it's not mutable, so therefore we don't have many built-in functions here. We've got count and index, which will allow you to count how many of, like let's say New South Wales, how many NSW is in this state tuple. So it will let you count how many of item is within this tuple. So let's just do state count NSW, and you'll see there's one NSW in this whole list. So if we do states.index, which will help you to get the index of item inside the tuple. So Tasmania, you can see the Tasmania is the fourth 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth item in this tuple. So there's not much to a tuple. So the only reason you would use tuple is something like this, states, like where it wants your values are constant always, and you can also iterate through these. I haven't shown you guys for loops. I haven't gone through that, so I will in next couple of videos. So if we do for state in states, if you don't understand this, just keep watching it. I will explain it. So state, and you'll get all the states. So it is iterable as well. So if you don't need a mutable list-like data type, then use tuple. And if you do need a mutable, then of course go ahead and use list. And that's pretty much all about tuple, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.